guys, welcome back to the channel. It's early. I probably have tired eyes, but today we are out in the supercar street racing workout room slash sunroom. It is very early. You can see it is only 6:20 in the morning, but I wanted to show you guys my new toy. So I did get this, and today we're going to be talking about it on the channel. Let's take a look at this Peloton today on supercar street racing. Just got this thing. We're in the supercar street racing sunroom today. It is early. I am tired, but I am trying to wake up. I have my energy drink over here. But today we're going to be taking a look at this Peloton. I have not used it yet because it came with the pedals that require clip-on shoes. My feet are so bad, my bunions are so bad that I bought the pedals that convert this into a normal Peloton bike. It will have the caged pedals. They are sitting in the other room. Let's go grab them. I think they just clip right onto the existing pedals. So these are the existing Peloton pedals. They are clip-in style. You just clip your shoes right in there. These are actual Peloton shoes. You can see right here, they strap in and there are the clips. I do not care for these at all, and I know they would kill my feet. I need to wear regular shoes when I'm biking. So let's go take a look at the things that I bought for the pedal that should just clip right on. All right, this is me getting the straps ready on the new kind of foot cage pedals. Once again, Davinci Resolve ruined my audio. I'm never using that again. But here we are getting these pedals ready to go on the bike. Okay, so I used AI Audio Assistant and it absolutely ruined my video, but this is me getting the new cages clicked in for regular shoes. All you do is push in and turn and they work perfect. They're way better than clip-in shoes for me. My feet hurt all the time. But yeah, Davinci Resolve AI Audio Assistant ruined most of this video, which is why you're hearing this voiceover.
This one is 3, 2, saddles, 5 off for over, just like. This is a 45-second clip. Last time I did a saddle, third and final.
All right, guys, I'm still trying to figure out a way to get my fitness watch to work with this, but so far, no luck. So I'm going to continue working out now.
Street racing and also being a
Supercar street racing on
subscriber
the Peloton.
Supporting the channel by buying all of your products through the affiliate links down
Very
in the
low
description. And look at this, guys. We have 61,900 subscribers today, and this is all because of you, and we owe you a huge. Please like and subscribe. It helps me out so much when you do that. We got to get out of here.
All right, we're back out at the Peloton again, and the next step to actually enjoying this bike is definitely getting rid of this crappy seat. I can't understand how anybody can ride this seat. It is the most uncomfortable thing, and if you ride a professional bike, you know what I'm talking about. This is awful. So I ordered a TrubliFit oversized seat with memory foam. I've got it right here. I want to try this out before I invest more money into this by getting like a heart rate monitor and stuff like that. So to take off the seat, you're supposed to just loosen it both sides. Wow, this thing is tight. Well, I need my wrenches. This is not working. All right, we're back this morning and it's 7 o'clock in the morning and we're ready to ride. And I just wanted to show you guys the difference between the Peloton seat and the oversized wide memory foam seat. Huge difference in width in the front and the back. Way more comfortable. It's still gonna hurt me, but I am going to get used to it. So I'm gonna do whatever ride I can find and probably watch YouTube on the big TV while I do that. Now getting into these is a little tricky because they spin downwards, so you just flip them over. Now we can't obviously play this stuff for you because it is copyrighted music, so I'm gonna find something to watch, maybe a scenic ride. So this is the embarrassing part where I brief you guys on the fact that I did not record audio here, but hey guys, yeah, this is me. After working out on the Peloton, I did subscribe to Peloton. I started using their spin classes. I've been using them almost every day for an entire week. It is really kicking my butt. I love them. I highly encourage you to subscribe to Peloton and get a Peloton bike if you want some really challenging spin classes. But right now, let's throw it to Studio B, where Brad is standing by with real audio, not this dumb voiceover. Let's throw it over there right now. Guys, we're back in Studio B. We are in Studio B at Supercar Street Racing. You guys can see behind me, this is the office and our second studio when we don't want to go out to the big studio. And today, you guys just saw the video that I got a Peloton bike. This was given to me by a friend for 100% free. Now, you can get a Peloton and use it for free, but you cannot use any of the programs unless you subscribe. There is a thing called Just Ride, I think is what it's called, but you have to factory reset the bike. Then you can do Just Ride and it'll just show you your stats. You won't get any kind of video or anything like that. So I decided to go ahead and give Peloton a try. Why not? I mean, I'm trying to get back in shape and I'm doing pretty good so far. So I thought the Peloton might help me in this journey. So we got this Peloton. I did go ahead and replace the pedals. There'll be a link in the description to everything that I did on the Peloton. I replaced the pedals and I replaced the super painful seat. The seat is unusable for most people. But the new seat I got with the nice memory foam did go ahead and allow me to ride the Peloton. I've been doing it for a week. I've been doing spin classes too, and they've been really kicking my butt. I'll be covered with sweat from head to toe, and that's a good thing when you're sweating that much. The Peloton's nice. I think I have the Peloton Plus. I'm gonna put a link in the description to that so you guys can go ahead and buy your own Peloton. When you do, I wanna go ahead and bike with you guys, so please let me know. We'll go ahead and add each other on Peloton. We'll go on bike rides together. It'll be super fun. Get yourself a Peloton because it will really get you in shape. It will definitely motivate you because you have classes to choose from. You can do pre-recorded classes or you can do live classes. And when you do, you're biking with other people, so you're never just sitting there by your absolute self. So go ahead and try it out. I think you're gonna like it. If you can get over the initial cost of the bike, there's a $95 fee if you buy a used one to go ahead and activate it. So keep that in mind if you do buy a used Peloton. Guys, the Supercar Street Racing dashboard is right here in front of you, and you can see I have 160,396, or let's rephrase that, we have 160,396 subscribers. We got a couple of really good videos out right now. Please watch the Crutchfield video. It's super important that you watch that for the channel and click on the affiliate links on all my videos, especially Crutchfield. Leave a comment. Let Crutchfield know how you feel about Supercar Street Racing. Thank you for 160,396 subscribers. We got to go to Joe's house. His laptop is absolutely hosed. All right, guys, I wanted to give you a quick look at the Peloton app. It's pretty cool. This is where you can track all of your workouts and everything, and you can see right there that I have a 2-week streak going up at the top. I've been active for 5 days. I've done 5 workouts, total of 2 hours and 30 minutes. I've burned almost 800 calories on the Peloton. This is a look at some of the classes that you can play. You can actually play them on the phone, I think, as well. There you go. So you can start that on the phone as well if you want to. You don't have to just do it on the actual Peloton. And then there's some other gym workouts here. You can do that also on the Peloton itself. They give you a bunch of different options. They have weight workouts, they have bike workouts. It's really cool. It kind of gets you motivated, and you can see right here the different types of workouts you can do. You can do stretching, cycling, yoga, outdoor running, etc., etc. And the Peloton app will walk you through all those things and also track everything about your activities, including your heart rate if you do have a heart rate monitor. I ordered a Galaxy Watch Ultra. It will be here probably Tuesday, and that will start tracking my heart rate as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video about Peloton. Go ahead and grab one from a link in the description if you want to get one. And thanks for watching Supercar Street Racing.